Peas are not just a humble side dish. They are also packed with nutritional benefits. In this video, we'll explore the top 15 nutritional values of peas. 1. Protein. Peas are a good source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. 2. Fiber. They are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. 3. Vitamins. Peas are high in vitamins A, C, and K, which are essential for immune function and bone health. 4. Minerals. They contain essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. 5. Low in calories. Peas are low in calories, making them a great option for weight management. 6. Antioxidants. They are rich in antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals. 7. Heart health. The fiber and antioxidants in peas contribute to heart health. 8. Blood sugar control. The low glycemic index of peas helps in controlling blood sugar levels. 9. Anti-inflammatory. Peas have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help in reducing inflammation. 10. Skin health. The vitamins in peas contribute to healthy skin. 11. Eye health. They are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are good for eye health. 12. Immune boost. The high vitamin C content boosts the immune system. 13. Energy boost. The iron content in peas helps in energy production. 14. Bone health. The vitamin K in peas is essential for bone health. 15. Mental health. Peas contain nutrients like folate, which are good for mental health. Incorporate peas into your diet to enjoy these numerous health benefits.